A laundromat is a self-service place where people can wash and dry their clothes using coin-operated or card-operated machines. Customers bring their own laundry, pay for each load, and use the machines without needing to own one at home. Laundromats are especially popular in busy cities, student areas, or neighborhoods where many people live in apartments without personal washers and dryers. Most laundromats are open every day, some even 24 hours, so customers can come whenever it suits them. They are designed to be simple and easy to use. You load your clothes, add detergent, insert payment, and the machine does the rest. Some laundromats also offer extra services like dry cleaning, wash and fold, or vending machines for detergents and snacks. This makes them convenient for people with busy schedules or those who want to get all their laundry needs done in one place. In short, a laundromat is more than just a place to clean clothes. It's a local business that serves a steady demand, no matter the season. Because clean clothes are something everyone needs regularly. How they make money? Laundromats make money by charging customers to use their washing and drying machines. Each wash or dry cycle has a set price, usually paid in coins, tokens, or through a card system. The cost per load depends on the size of the machine and the location of the laundromat. For example, larger machines or those in busy city areas often cost more per use. The main source of income is the steady stream of people who need clean clothes every week. Many customers return regularly, which means the business can earn money consistently. Some laundromats also add extra ways to make income. These can include vending machines for detergent, softener, or snacks, selling laundry bags, or offering special services like wash and fold where the staff does the laundry for the customer. In addition, some owners rent out space for dry cleaning drop-off, or even put arcade games or coffee machines inside to bring in more earnings. By offering convenience and small extras, laundromats can increase profits while keeping customers happy. The key to making money is keeping machines in good condition, setting fair prices, and providing a clean, safe space that encourages customers to return again and again. Startup costs. Starting a laundromat requires a significant investment, and the total cost depends on location, size, and the type of equipment you choose. One of the biggest expenses is buying commercial washing machines and dryers. These machines are built to handle heavy use and can cost thousands of dollars each. You'll also need change machines, laundry carts, folding tables, seating, and security systems. Another major cost is renting or buying the space. Laundromats need a location with enough room for machines, plumbing, ventilation, and customer seating. If you rent, expect to pay for renovations to install water lines, gas hookups, and proper drainage. Utility deposits and insurance are also part of the initial setup. Don't forget business permits, licenses, and marketing to let people know you're open. In some cases, owners buy an existing laundromat instead of starting from scratch, which can save time but still requires investment to update machines and improve the space. Overall, starting a laundromat can cost anywhere from tens of thousands to several $100,000, but with good planning and location choice, it can turn into a steady, reliable business. Monthly running costs. Running a laundromat every month comes with several ongoing expenses that directly affect profits. The largest cost is usually utilities, water, electricity, and gas to power the washers and dryers. Since machines run for hours each day, these bills can be high, especially in busy locations. Another major expense is rent or mortgage payments for the building. If the laundromat is in a high-traffic area, rent will likely be higher, but this often means more customers. Maintenance is also an important monthly cost. Machines need regular servicing, and broken ones must be repaired quickly to avoid losing income. You'll also spend on supplies like detergents for vending machines, cleaning products to keep the space tidy, and small repairs to furniture or fixtures. If the laundromat offers staffed services like wash and fold, payroll becomes another ongoing cost. Insurance premiums, loan repayments, and marketing efforts to attract new customers are also part of monthly expenses. Keeping these costs under control while still offering a clean, safe, and comfortable environment is key. Well-managed expenses ensure the laundromat stays profitable and continues to attract loyal customers year-round. Average income. The average income of a laundromat depends on its location, size, and the number of customers it serves. In busy city neighborhoods or areas with many apartment buildings, laundromats can see constant traffic, bringing in a steady stream of income. On average, a small to medium-sized laundromat might make several $1,000s in revenue each month, while larger, high-traffic locations can earn much more. Most of this income comes from machine use. Each wash and dry cycle adds up quickly when dozens of customers are using the machines daily. For example, if a laundromat charges $3 per wash and $2 per dry, and customers run hundreds of loads a week, the revenue grows fast. It's important to remember that this is gross income. Expenses like utilities, rent, and maintenance must be deducted to find the actual profit. Still, with a good location and smart management, laundromats can provide reliable monthly earnings. Busy vs slow seasons. Like many businesses, laundromats experience busy and slow periods throughout the year. Busy seasons often happen in colder months when people wear more layers, use heavier fabrics like blankets, and need to wash them regularly. Bad weather can also push people to use dryers more often, increasing machine usage. In contrast, warmer months can be slower. People may wash smaller loads, dry clothes outside, or travel more, leading to fewer visits. However, laundromats in tourist areas may see the opposite trend, with summer bringing more customers like travelers or short-term renters who need laundry services. End-of-semester periods near colleges and universities can also create short bursts of high activity, as students prepare to move out and wash large amounts of clothing and bedding. Extra services. Many laundromats increase their income and attract more customers by offering extra services beyond self-service washing and drying. One popular option is wash and fold, where customers drop off their dirty laundry, and staff wash, dry, and fold it for them. This saves time for busy people and can be charged at a higher rate per pound or per load. Some laundromats also offer dry cleaning drop-off, partnering with local cleaners to handle items that can't go in standard machines. Vending machines selling detergent, fabric softener, dryer sheets, snacks, and drinks are another simple way to earn extra income while giving customers added convenience. Other additions include free Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, TVs, or a small coffee area to make waiting more pleasant. In some locations, owners add specialty machines for large items like rugs or pet bedding, which attract customers with unique needs. Profit margins. Profit margins in a laundromat business depend on how well expenses are managed compared to total income. Since laundromats have steady demand, they can achieve healthy margins if costs like utilities, rent, and maintenance are kept under control. On average, a well-run laundromat might see profit margins between 20% and 35% after covering all monthly expenses. The main advantage is that once the machines are paid for, most of the revenue from each load goes toward profit, apart from utilities and upkeep. This means that busy laundromats in high-traffic areas can generate strong returns, especially if they run efficiently and keep machines in good condition. Adding extra services such as wash and fold or vending machines can also boost margins because these often have lower costs compared to the revenue they bring in. However, poor maintenance, high utility waste, or unreliable machines can quickly eat into profits. Is it worth it? Whether a laundromat is worth owning depends on your goals, budget, and willingness to manage the business. Laundromats can provide steady income because people always need clean clothes, regardless of the economy. They are also relatively low maintenance compared to many businesses, as customers operate the machines themselves. This makes them attractive to investors seeking semi-passive income. However, success depends heavily on location. A laundromat in a high-traffic area with many apartment dwellers or students will likely perform better than one in a quiet neighborhood where most people own washers and dryers. Startup costs can be high, and it may take months or years to fully recover the investment. The business also requires ongoing attention. Machines must be maintained, the space kept clean, and customer issues handled quickly. Owners who add extra services and run promotions during slow periods can improve profits and customer loyalty. Overall, for someone willing to invest the time, money, and effort, a laundromat can be a stable and profitable venture. but careful planning and smart management are essential to make it truly worth it.